The time-traveling adventure. Three friends, Lilli, Ben, and Jack, were exploring Lilli's grandmother's house. They were looking for anything interesting when Lilli spotted something peculiar. Lilli said, "Hey guys, look at this. What do you think it is?" Lilli, a young girl with brown hair and glasses, holds a strange-looking device covered in dust. Her two friends, Ben, a boy with a baseball cap, and Jack, a boy with curly hair, stand nearby, looking curiously at the device. Ben said, "Looks like some kind of old gadget. Maybe it's a radio or something." Jack, ever the keen observer, noticed an inscription on it. Jack said, "There's an inscription on it. It says, 'Temporal Transporter.'" The device emits a faint glow. Lilli's eyes widened with excitement. Lilli said, "Temporal transporter. That sounds like it could travel through time." Ben said, "No way, time travel is just in movies and books." Jack said, "Let's see if it works. There are buttons here. Should we try pressing one?" Jack pressed a button, and the device hummed to life, emitting a soft glow. The device in Lilli's hands begins to glow brightly, casting an otherworldly light around the attic. Lilli, Ben, and Jack stand close together, their faces a mix of wonder and surprise as the attic around them starts to blur and shift, indicating the beginning of their time travel adventure. The kids find themselves transported to a medieval castle, encountering knights and discovering they have traveled back in time. The world around them solidified. They looked around in amazement. Lilli said, "Whoa, where are we?" Ben's eyes widened as he took in the scene. Ben said, "I think we've traveled back in time. Look at those knights." Ben points towards a group of knights in shining armor, practicing swordplay nearby. Jack said, "This is incredible, but we need to be careful. We don't belong here." The background shows the bustling activity of the castle, with knights and castle staff moving around, unaware of the kids' presence. Suddenly, a knight approached them, his lance at the ready. "Knight, halt! Who goes there?" A knight in full armor, holding a lance, stands in front of Lilli, Ben, and Jack, blocking their path. Lilli said, We're just visitors. We mean no harm." Lilli, looking nervous but trying to be polite, speaks to the imposing knight. "Knight, you speak strangely. Come, you must meet the king." The knight, now lowering his lance, gestures for the kids to follow him. In a grand throne room, they stood before the king. King said, "Who are you, and from where do you come?" Jack said, "We're from a distant land, Your Majesty. We mean no harm and wish to learn about your time." Jack, stepping slightly forward, addresses the king with a respectful tone. The king, intrigued but cautious, allowed them to stay. King said, "Very well. You may explore, but stay out of trouble." The king, now more relaxed, gestures with his hand as if giving permission. Lilli, Ben, and Jack look relieved and excited. Accidentally pressing another button, the kids are transported further back in time to the age of dinosaurs. A prehistoric jungle filled with towering trees, exotic plants, and dinosaurs roaming. Lilli said, "Oh my gosh, are those dinosaurs?" Ben's excitement was palpable. Ben said, "This is amazing. We're in the age of dinosaurs." Ben, with wide eyes and an excited expression, looks around at the prehistoric landscape. Dinosaurs of various sizes roam in the background, and the air is filled with the sounds of their calls. Jack said, "We need to be very careful. We don't want to become a dinosaur's lunch." Jack, looking serious and cautious, glances around the jungle nervously. In the background, a Tyrannosaurus Rex can be seen moving through the trees, adding a sense of danger. Lilli, Ben, and Jack crouch behind a large rock, their faces filled with fear and awe as they watch a massive Tyrannosaurus Rex walk past. Lilli said, "That was close. We need to get out of here." Lilli, peeking out from behind the rock, looks back at Ben and Jack with urgency. "Let's try the device again and see if we can get back home." Ben holds the glowing temporal transporter device, his finger poised over the buttons.
The kids manage to escape the dinosaurs, but find themselves in a futuristic city, filled with advanced technology and flying cars. A bustling futuristic city, with skyscrapers, flying cars, and people using advanced technology. The device transported them once more. This time, they found themselves in a bustling futuristic city, surrounded by advanced technology and flying cars. Jack said, "This is the future. Look at all these amazing gadgets." Lilli said, "It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. I wonder what year it is." Lilli gazes around with wide-eyed wonder at the advanced technology and futuristic architecture. Ben said, "Let's ask someone." Ben, looking determined, approaches a futuristic kiosk with a holographic guide. TA holographic guide appeared, welcoming them. Holographic guide, "Welcome to Neo City. The current year is 2145. How can I assist you today?" Lilli, ever curious, asked for more information. Lilli, "We're visitors. Can you tell us more about this place?" The guide explained the wonders of Neo City. Holographic guide said, "Neo City is known for its advancements in technology, clean energy, and sustainable living. Enjoy your stay." The holographic guide provides information about Neo City. Jack, despite being impressed, knew they needed to return home. Jack said, "This future is incredible, but we need to find a way back to our own time." Jack, looking thoughtful and slightly concerned, discusses with Lilli and Ben their need to return home. The futuristic city continues its bustling activity around them, with advanced technology seamlessly integrated into daily life. Lilli and Ben nod in agreement, understanding the urgency of their situation. Using the device, the kids finally manage to return to their own time, wiser from their adventures. The same old attic where their journey began. Lilli, "We're back! It worked!" Lilli, Ben, and Jack stand in the familiar old attic, looking around with relieved and excited expressions. The dusty, cobweb-covered surroundings are exactly as they left them, with the temporal transporter device glowing faintly in Lilli's hands. Ben said, "That was the adventure of a lifetime." Jack said, "We've seen so much. The past, the future. It's unbelievable." Jack, holding the temporal transporter device, looks at Lilli and Ben with a thoughtful expression. Jack, looking at the device with hope, spoke of future possibilities. Carefully, they placed the temporal transporter back where they found it, knowing that their incredible journey would remain their special secret. And with that, they left the attic, always ready for the next journey.